Everybody help me. Help me. I've been bit by a snake.
Really?
I've been bit by a snake.
Did you?
Yeah. What do you do? Oh, right there. Ah, it was a rattlesnake.
I highly doubt
It's a
it was
diamondback rattlesnake. I feel so weak.
What?
I feel so weak.
Oh.
Oh, Ozzy, suck out my blood.
Ozzy, vampire.
Don't
You don't know what to do about a snake bite?
What?
I don't.
Search up something on Coyote Peterson.
I feel weak.
Mom, go to the store.
I need to go get my tablet.
I feel weak.
Yeah. I
What?
can't believe y'all are trying to save his
Why?
life. That,
The Deacon's playing iPad. I will remember that when I'm dead. Oh, thanks for sucking out the blood, Ozzy. Suck out the blood, I think.
Are you serious?
I think that's what you gotta do.
Did you actually get bit by a snake?
Suck out the
That's-
poison.
That's what they do on the movies.
Yeah, that's
Right?
what they do on the movie.
Yeah, so do it. Start doing it.
My real life.
I would do it, but I can't get to my leg. Get it, thanks, Ozzy. Thank Ozzy, saving my life. I'm so weak.
Well, at least Jack's looking.
I'm thanks.
Yeah,
Jack.
I
He's not
can't.
even trying to
I appreciate
Can't.
it. What? Oh, I'm so
Did
weak.
you fall?
I'm so weak. I think I need some water.
Remove jewelry. Look for symptoms.
Okay.
Don't try to catch a snake. Don't use ice. Go to the hospital immediately.
Okay,
Don't use a tourniquet, whatever.
gotta go to the hospital. Oh, thanks for getting me the almost empty water bottle.
Do not drink alcohol. And what's a tourniquet? Do not use a tourniquet.
Oh, I need. It's a week.
And do not suck bottle and poison from a snake.
Yeah, that one's pretty much empty. Dude, thanks for drinking out of my water bottle first. Appreciate that.
That's mine, actually.
I think I'll live. Thanks. Thanks, everybody.
Oh my God.
Thanks for saving my life, everybody. Oh, I think I'm.